Have you ever heard of a sound so bizarre that only a small percentage of people can hear it, and it drives them to psychological distress? It's called the hum, and it's a low-pitched, persistent drone that affects 2% of the population worldwide. Sufferers report debilitating symptoms like intense anxiety, headaches, and a constant feeling of pressure. The most unsettling part: despite numerous studies, no scientific equipment can pinpoint the source. Theories range from industrial machinery and power lines to strange geological phenomena. The cause remains a complete mystery. Imagine being one of the only people in your city to constantly hear a noise no one else believes is real. Like, share, and subscribe to Magic Moment for more mind-bending facts.